Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are counting down the top 5 best drones of 2025, packed with amazing features like 8K cameras, GPS navigation, obstacle avoidance, and long-range transmission. Whether you're into professional aerial photography or just want a high-tech flying gadget, this list has something for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So, let's get started. Number 1. P7 Max High-End Professional GPS Drone. The P7 Max is a professional-grade GPS drone equipped with an 8K camera, 20 km digital image transmission, and a built-in screen remote control. This drone is designed for serious aerial photographers. The brushless motor ensures stability and quiet operation, while the long transmission range makes it perfect for capturing breathtaking shots from a distance. The integrated screen controller saves you from relying on your phone, making flying smoother and more convenient. Pros: 8K ultra clear camera, 20 km image transmission, screen remote control, strong brushless motor. If you're looking for top-tier performance and professional video quality, the P7 Max is one of the best drones in 2025. Number 2. Teeggi SG909 Max GPS Drone. The Teeggi SG909 Max comes with a 4K camera, 6 km range, and a touchscreen remote control, plus 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. This drone is foldable, portable, and reliable. Its obstacle avoidance system is a lifesaver for new pilots, while the touchscreen controller adds a modern and easy-to-use experience. The 4K camera offers crisp footage, perfect for casual aerial photography. Pros: obstacle avoidance, touchscreen remote, 4K high-quality video, foldable design. The Teeggi SG909 Max is an excellent mid-range drone that balances features, portability, and affordability. Number 3. SX1 Max GPS Drone. This professional drone comes with a 4K camera on a 3-axis gimbal, large screen remote control, and foldable design. What makes the SX1 Max stand out is its 3-axis gimbal stabilization, which ensures ultra-smooth and cinematic footage. The FPV aerial mode and built-in display let you see real-time footage without lag. It's ideal for creators who want stable, high-quality video without breaking the bank. Pros: 3-axis gimbal stabilization, crisp 4K camera, folding design for travel, built-in large screen controller. If you want stable cinematic shots at a reasonable price, the SX1 Max is a strong contender. Number 4. 2025 Mini Drone V168 Max. The V168 Max is a compact foldable mini drone with 8K dual cameras, Wi-Fi FPV, and long-range app control. This drone is perfect for beginners and travelers. Despite its small size, it offers 8K resolution and dual cameras for versatile shooting. The portable design makes it easy to carry, and the Wi-Fi FPV control works well for casual flying. Pros: lightweight and portable, 8K dual cameras, budget-friendly, easy app control. If you want a budget-friendly travel drone that still shoots in 8K, the V168 Max is an excellent choice. Number 5. Professional S159 GPS Drone. The S159 GPS drone is equipped with an 8K dual camera, 5G Wi-Fi, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and a foldable brushless design. This drone brings together the best of both worlds: professional-level camera quality and user-friendly features like obstacle avoidance. The 5G Wi-Fi transmission ensures smooth and lag-free video streaming, while its foldable design makes it practical to carry. Pros: 8K dual camera, 5G Wi-Fi smooth streaming, obstacle avoidance, foldable brushless build. The S159 is a solid all-around performer, perfect for those who want high-end specs without spending top dollar. And there you have it, the top 5 best drones of 2025. If you want professional aerial shots, go with the P7 Max. If you prefer affordable and portable, the V168 Max Mini Drone is a great choice. For balanced performance with obstacle avoidance, the Teeggi SG909 Max or S159 GPS drone are excellent picks. Which drone do you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and gadget reviews.